Assalamualaikum and hello guys. Today I will show you how to master data analysis on Microsoft Excel. So first off, you just have to launch Microsoft Excel and go to new, then click blank workbook. So it will give you empty sheet like this. This is my data of a donut shop's monthly sale for 2024. For example, I need to organize the monthly sales data and calculate the total sales for each month. Then I will determine which donut flavor performed the best, which month had the highest overall sales, and determine whether each month's sales are high or low. First of all, I will create the table based on my data. Double-click cell A1, then type month, just like the one in my data here. You don't have to always start making the table or insert value on cell A1. You can start on B1, B2, C2, etc. After typing the month, you can just double-click cell B1 or simply click on the right arrow on your keyboard, then type in glaze. And then just continue with cell C1 and D1 for chocolate sprinkle and strawberry frosting. After typing in chocolate sprinkle, you can just bring your cursor to the edge of cell C and double click it to adjust the column automatically. And then you can continue to type in cell D1 for strawberry frosted and do the same thing to adjust the column. Next, I will type in the month, double click on A2, typed in January. After that, you don't have to type until December. Just drag your cursor until this small plus sign shows up at the corner of the cell. And then just drag down until December. There you get all the months without typing all of them manually, and then you can just adjust the column. And then fill in the sales for glazed donut. You can see how I didn't put the RM beside the glaze, just like in the data. Instead, I will drag the whole column of glazed donut sales, and I will click on tab number, and then click on accounting number format right here. And if I click the small arrow, you can see various of currencies available. And I will click on RM. Then there will be RM in front of the sales like this. Next, just copy all the sales for chocolate sprinkles and strawberry frosted and repeat the step to put the RM currency for all the sales. Now add two other columns on cell E1 and F1 to calculate the total overall sales for each month and sales status to determine whether each month's sales are high or low. Then you can adjust the column. Then add total sales with RM on cell A14 for the total of each donut's sales. Then add another column and row on any cell, but I will do it on cell 16, C16 for highest sales, and C17 for highest selling donut. And later you can adjust the columns. And then select dataset from cell A1 until F13. Then go to tab Home, Fonts, and click on Borders, and then you can click All Borders. So then all your data will be in table. And then I also added the other data sets to be in tables by doing the same thing. Then I I will calculate the total overall sales for each month. I will use formula sum. So first, just double click on cell E2, type in equal sign, and then sum, the formula sum, open bracket, and just drag a row from glazed donut to strawberry frosted of the month January, and then close bracket, and then you can click enter, and then you will have the sum for all the donuts sales on January. I will also calculate the total overall sales of February until December by using the same formula, but instead I will just drag my cursor until the small plus sign popped up, and I'll drag down the column, and then everything will be automatically calculated. I will use the same formula to calculate the total sales for every donut and the overall sales of the year. Double click on cell B14 and just type in the equal sign and then the formula sum with open bracket, and drag down the glazed donuts column, and then I put close bracket and click enter. Then I'll get the value, and just like I did before, I'll bring my cursor at the corner of the cell and drag it to the right, and then everything will be automatically calculated. To determine which month have high sales or low sales, I will be using if logic. So I'll click on cell F2 and I'll type equal signs, formula if, open bracket, click cell E2 more than 3000, and if the value is true, I'll type high, and the value is false, I'll type in low, and I'll click enter. And to find the other month's sales status, you can just drag down the whole column, and then you'll find out the sales status automatically. Next, I will determine the sales status by using color. Drag and select all the cells under sales status and go to Styles tab and click Conditional Formatting and highlight cells rules, and then click tags that contains. You can type in high and pick green field with dark green text for the high sales status. Repeat the same step and type in low and pick light red field with dark red text for low sales status. To find the highest overall sales between January to December, double-click cell D16 and I'll use formula index, match and max. I'll type in the formula here. And for index, I'll select the cells A2 to A13 for the months, and I'll use max to find the maximum value from the overall sales of the month. Once you click enter, then it will show that December has the highest total overall sales of 2024. I will also find the highest selling donut flavor next using the same steps just now by double clicking cell D17 and type in the same formula, but the index is the donut's flavor from cells B1 to D1, while the maximum value will be from the donut's total sales from B14 to D14. And once you click enter, it will show you that glazed donut is the donuts that with the highest sales of the year. To finalize the table, it is possible to change the color of the table to suit our preference. I will select the cells that I want to customize, and I'll use fill color to change the colors of the cells to the one that I want. And it is also possible to change the font, or I want to make it bold, or change the alignment. It's up to our preference. That's all for me. I hope this video will be a help for you guys in using Excel. So thank you and bye.